him out of the car. Back up. Get your hands out the window.
Late 80s and shit. Official shit. All this shit take place. Smell that? I was born in this shit, my man. Didn't stand a chance. Think it's kinda too late for all these helping hands. When niggas was at, was in the trap out in South Sudan. These hopping out of vans. Octavia Street, under the bridge, busting early sales. Niggas don't believe in heaven, cause they living in hell. Abandoned seats left to fend for themselves. Over the pins in themselves. A fool could tell they wasn't wishing as well. For real, true still. Niggas had to do what niggas had to do out here for us to come up. No niggas had to do, man. But now I'm out bustin' moves. Stuck in the bricks, white collar race, looking for some product to flip. Possibly politic, White House serving a pile of shit. Shut down the government, discover what they want public with that puppet shit. Meanwhile, baby smile, mirror Smith's educated. Could be a death wish if you make it. Sitting sedated, woulda, coulda, shoulda played ball, go to school. Instead I'm in the hall with the tool, with a family to make it home to. So on reflex, I chrome where I'm supposed to. So how you expecting me to eat with this 10% blood suck spraying on the week? Gotta do for self. Be a fool depending on anything else. You know the above is called, so it's no type of love lost to fuck for. Swore. Niggas had to do what niggas had to do out here for us to come up. But now I'm out bustin' moves.